If you want to create high-quality marketing videos using AI without spending hours editing, you can actually do it pretty easily with Dola AI. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step. Alright, first, go to Dola AI and sign into your account. If you're new, just create one using your email. Yeah, it's quick. Once you're in, look for the video generator or marketing video section. That's where you'll start building your video. Now, pick a template that matches your goal. This could be product promotion, social media ads, or brand awareness. Next, add your script or main message. Keep it short, clear, and focused on benefits. For example, highlight what your product does and why people should care. Then, upload your images, clips, or use built-in visuals. Make sure everything matches your brand. Now, cause colors, fonts, and layout to make your video look more professional. You can add a voiceover using AI voices and include background music to make the video more engaging. Finally, preview your video. If everything looks good, export it and use it for your marketing campaigns. So, yeah, that's how you can make AI-based marketing videos using Dola AI. It's fast, simple, and great for growing your brand. If this helped, feel free to check out more AI tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.